Hi everyone! Today I'm going to read you a book for our cooking theme called Eating the Alphabet, Fruits and Vegetables from A to Z by Lois Ellert. She also wrote Chicka Chicka Boom Boom and Chicka Chicka Boom Boom 1, 2, 3 and ABC. Same kind of similar styles of illustrations with this. Everything's really big and bright. Eating the Alphabet from A to Z. Apple to zucchini, come take a look. Start eating your way through our alphabet book. Sorry, here we go. A is for apricots, artichokes, avocados, apples, and asparagus. B, beans, blueberries, Brussels sprouts, beans, broccoli, and bananas. We love to eat our bananas at school. C, currant, cucumber, corn, celery, cabbage, cherries, carrots, and cauliflower. Look at all those things that start with C. So many things. D stands for dates. E, endives and eggplant. F for figs. G, gooseberry, grapefruit, and grapes. H, huckleberries. Never had any of those, have you? I, Indian corn. J, jalapeno, jicama. K for kumquat, kiwi fruit, and kohlrabi. I've never had that one either. That's a new one for me. L, leeks, lemon, lettuce, and limes. M, melon and mango. N, nectarine. O, okra, orange, and onion. P, peach, pineapple, pear, papaya, and persimmon. I've never heard of those ones either, but I love all the rest of those. Those are some of my favorite. And we can't forget about plum and pomegranate, parsnip, potatoes, peas, peppers, and pumpkins. That is so many fruits and vegetables that start with P. What's next? P. Q is next, I believe. Yep. A quincy. R, raspberries, rutabaga, rhubarb, and radicchio. S, Swiss chard, spinach, star fruit, strawberries, T for tangerine, tomato, turnips. U for ugly fruit. Silly name because they look kind of silly on the outside, but they're actually really yummy if you ever try an ugly fruit. V, vegetable marrow. W for watercress. X, szechuan, which is kind of like a watermelon. Y for yam, and Z for zucchini. And then there's just a little thing that says, if to learn more about all these fruits and vegetables in this book, turn the page. And then lots of reading about if you want to look up one of them specifically to learn more about it. Thank you for reading with me. We at Heartfelt hope you're staying safe and that you enjoyed the book. See you later. Bye. Mwah.